going to show you how to unlock your TIDRadio TD-H3 Plus. If you bought the radio and possibly by mistake may have bought the ham version or the GMRS version and wanted the other, you can unlock it and use it on both. Just a few simple steps. When you first turn this on, you want to press in the PTT button and the star button. Hold them both in, then turn the radio on, and it'll boot up in this screen, and it gives you the option ham or normal. The older radio version of it would also give you an option for GMRS to switch to that, but the menu's changed a little bit. So if you have it in one of the two already, like I say, you bought the wrong radio and got a GMRS, but you want it open to ham radio also, now all you need to do is select 2 for normal. So just hit the 2 button and then hit yes. And that opens the radio up. It unlocks it and allows you to use ham radio or GMRS on it. And that's all you need to do. So if this helped you at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.